I mean, kind of a place I wanted to start. I mean, we look at kind of the lawyer's journey through law school. Very few of them, if any at all, are actually taught how to run a business. They're not taught the business side of law. And I think maybe business lawyers might have a little advantage because they work, kind of in that space. So they kind of know what it takes to potentially run a business. But most lawyers, for the most part, aren't really taught that side of things, but a lot of them still go out, they start their own firm, they have that dream, they don't want to work in big law their entire life. So what are some of the biggest challenges that you've seen with some of your clients and the lawyers that you've worked with when they go out and try to start their own firm?
Okay, well, first of all, I'm not going to law school bash.
Oh yeah, no.
A lot of people do. I'm not saying you did, but a lot of people do. And they go, law school doesn't do this. Law school doesn't do that. Let me start with what law school does. It trains people how to learn.
Mhm.
That is the most effective thing that comes from law school. So, and we're dealing with highly intellectual, highly intelligent people.
Yeah.
The difference being it's book smart, intellectual smart, rather than street smart, so to speak, like people skills, right?
Yeah.
So given what I just said, lawyers are trained how to learn. They're highly intelligent. Entrepreneurial skills are definitely learnable if they're pointed in the right direction, given the support, given the tools and the strategies. They can actually learn quite quickly.